Hello again, Key Stage 1, and welcome back to day 2 of your phonics lessons this week for your set 3 sounds. We're going to be learning a new set 3 sounds today, but first of all, we need to recap those sounds that you've already learned. Are you ready? Fantastic. And this was the sound we learnt yesterday. Do you remember what it is? That's right, it's the sound. I say, you say, Now if we turn over to our little rhyme, nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. Well remembered, fantastic. Our new sound today, it's another sound. We'll do I say, you say, Fantastic, but we're not spelling it the same as the one we did yesterday. So our sound that we did yesterday had a U and an R to make the sound. Today, what letters can you see that make our sound? Well done, it's an E and an R. So those two letters come together to make one sound, so it's a digraph, and that sound is the, that's right, it's the sound. Fantastic. If I turn over my little rhyme on the back, I have got a postman here, and he is holding a better letter. We'll do I say, you say. A better letter. A better letter. Well done, that's super. So our new sound is today. We're spelling it differently today with an E and an R. Okay, get that pen or pencil ready. So we're going to have a go at writing that sound. I'm going to be joining up that E and the R. So watch how I do it first. You have a go, or have another watch of how I do it. Well done. We'll do one more time. There we go. If you want to keep practicing, you can just pause the video and have another go at writing it before you move on. All right, so we've had a go at writing our new sound. Now we need to have a look at some green words. Here are my green words with our new sound in. So we're going to Fred talk our green words first, so make sure you've got your Freddy fingers ready to sound out these green words with our new sound in. Let's choose our first one. Let's go for this one. Okay, I'll have a go first. Better. Okay, let's try together. Better. Well done, your turn. Better, fantastic work, well done. Okay, let's try the next one. My turn first. Never. Let's try it together. Never. Your turn. Never, that's right, well done. Fantastic reading. Let's try this one, my turn. Or corner. Let's try it together. Or corner. Well done, your turn on your own. Corner. Super. Right, last green word we're going to Fred talk today. My turn first. Proper. Let's try it together. Proper. Well done. Your turn on your own. Proper. Super job. Okay, we've Fred talked those words. Now we need to nod the sounds out in our head. So we're not going to say the sounds out loud, nod them in your head. When I push off our green word forward, I'd like to read the whole word for me. Okay, let's give them a shuffle. Here we go. Never. Fantastic. Ooh. Better. Proper. Well done. Last one. Corner. Super job. Well done. Okay, I'm going to add in 2 new green words ready for our speed read. So I'm going to have a go at reading them speedily first, and then we'll see how quickly you can do it. Okay, let's get them the right way around. Here we go. Ready? Watch and listen carefully. After. Weather. Corner. Never. Better. Proper. Okay, now it's your turn. See how speedily you can read them. Give them a little shuffle. Here we go. Ready? Fantastic. Give yourselves a pat on the back for some fantastic reading. If it was too quick, just go back and have another go. All right. Need to get that pen or pencil ready because we're going to practice writing a couple of our green words with our new, well, what is our new sound today? Fantastic. And how are we spelling it today? That's right, with an E and an R, and they come together to make our sound. So let's grab a couple of green words. Oh, the first one, we'll do the first one together, so we'll sound it out together and we'll write it, and we'll pop our sound buttons on. The first one I would like us to write down is better. I say, you say. Better. Better. Fantastic. Let's sound out that word better. B-e-t-er. Better. Well done. Oh, let me just get some space here. Better. Okay. B-e-t-er. Now don't forget, the last thing I do when I'm writing that word is cross my T's. Okay, and you'll notice that the t sound in this word has got 2 T's to make the t sound. So let's pop those sound buttons on. B-e-t-er. Our new sound on the end. All right, well done. Right, the next word, and I'd like you to try this one on your own, so sound it out and then write it down and pop the sound buttons on for me. The next word I'd like you to try is never. Or do I say, you say? Never. Never. Well done. Sound it out and write it down, please. Never. Never. Okay, if you haven't had enough time, remember you can pause the video, write it down, and then press play again when you're ready. So never. N-e-v-er. Never. N-e-v-er. Never. N-e-v-er. Okay. Well done. Tick or fix your words, depending on whether you got them right or wrong. Doesn't matter if you got them wrong, that's why we're just going to practice in our phonics lessons. Okay, fantastic. Well, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another phonics lesson.